Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G42 to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both and tap on the search bars. Then you need to install this free app from this developer, Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, click on Open. After that, click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and finally allow. Now you need to select Send on your Motorola and Receive on an Android. After that, just click on all of those dots on your Motorola smartphone and just send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Get It. Now on an Android, just no thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive button, but we can always scan this QR code instead. If you wish to do that, click on this scanning icon, tap on while using the upper only this time, and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!